Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to work with backgrounds in your Crio Pro custom page headers. So I'm going to start with a pretty basic header layout here, and I'm going to add our page title to it so we can show you kind of how this works. The page title is not necessary, but it adds some space to your layout so you can see more of the background image and work good for demonstration purposes. So to add your background image, you're going to click here to add the background to your section, which is going to make sure it covers the entire header. I'm going to go ahead and do an image today and sounds as I like my. Now you can choose to add a overlay color to it that will help with readability of your text. See, without the overlay, you can barely read some of this. We add this overlay, and a lot better. So there's a couple really cool effects here you can do. You can have none, which has it display normally and scroll with the page. Parallax, which has it scroll at a different speed than the rest of the page, and fixed, so that it stays in one place and the page scrolls. So I'm going to show you this here. The first one is without any special effect, so it just moves as you scroll. This here is parallax, so you can see how it moves a little bit as you're moving, but the background doesn't. And this here is fixed, so it stays in one position as you scroll. So they'll give you a lot more customization than you would normally have with the traditional header background images. You can also assign a specific background image for a specific page. So if you go to Contact Us page, go to that page editor, and here you can choose a different background image. Let's go with this one here. Page. So on the Contact Us page, it shows this background image, but on other pages, it shows the default image. It's taking to load for some reason, but yeah. So other pages show that. The specific page shows that. That can be very useful for, like if you want to have a different background image for shop or specific products, things like that. Customize this to each individual page or product. So thank you very much for watching. Next week, I'm going to discuss some more advanced customization options. I hope this video has been very helpful to you, and have a wonderful day.